Daddy, you enjoy your dinner?
We don't enjoy them at dinner, man. We full enjoy them at dinner.
How much it is? How much you rate you that thing?
11. And right now when you eat them and food, you get a belly full.
Where's everything tastes
Yeah,
right?
man. Real local spice, man. You can chase the ginger and the pimento and the scallion and the time in that food. Yeah, my food, you have good food for your system.
No baga season.
We don't want the sun in our mouth when we eat. That one thing, no, is a market all the
Okay guys, so here we know. So me I go season the goat. This is ram goat we get from the Asian store, and I wash it with vinegar, everything already. You know you have to wash the meat with vinegar and then something, right? So I wash it and then I'm going to prep it. I'm going to use my garlic. I already minced the ginger and everything. I may have my thyme leaf, my pimento. You know you have to use all of them there when you cook, right? Those are essential when you're cooking. It brings a lot of flavor to the dish, and you can never have enough. You can never have enough garlic. You can never, well, you can have enough ginger, because ginger actually it kind of harsh, but yeah, you can never have enough garlic and then something. You need it when you cook. So I'm just gonna mince these up right here. You wanna mince these up really good. Just mince it, guys. You don't have to be perfect. Just mince them up where you can, you know. Okay, that's good enough. Then we're gonna have the thyme, right? The thyme leaf. So this is the fresh thyme. This one isn't dried as yet, it's fresh. When it's dry, the leaf then brown. So this is the fresh thyme. So I'm gonna use, you know, a good little piece of it. I'm gonna wash it though. I'm just gonna chop it up like this. So I have my ginger, my garlic, this, and then my allspice. I'm gonna get the goat now. I'm not gonna use all of the ginger. I'm gonna use about this amount of ginger. That is enough. And then I'm going to use my garlic and also my thyme. Couple pimento seed, not too much. I'm gonna season with all-purpose seasoning. You don't want to use too much seasoning because you don't want it to be too much. And then, you know me, I have to use my Maggi already. And a little bit of browning because I'm doing brown stew goat, not curry. So just a little bit of browning. You don't want to put too much here, you don't want it to black. And then a little salt. Come. Okay, so I'm gonna cover it with some saran wrap and allow it to, you know, marinate for maybe 20 minutes or so. Let all of the season and everything soak in. If you can season your meat overnight, that would be wonderful, and let it sit in the fridge for a while. But you know, I didn't have the time, so I'm gonna use a little 20 minutes to marinate it and everything soak in. So it's been around 30 minutes since I have the goat marinating. Woo! Smells so good. Look on that. Guys, so I'm using olive oil, not too much oil. So I have my peas at a pressure. I like to use the dark red beans, give it a more nicer color. And then I'm going to I have my thyme, my green pepper, and my scallion. I already washed it. I'm gonna add my coconut milk. I like to use the Maggi coconut milk, guys. I like to use this one if I don't have the fresh coconut to juice it. I like to use the Maggi one. You can use the Grace one too, fine, depending on what you want. And for me, I only season mine with salt. I'm not put no sugar or nothing like that. Just salt alone. And a little butter. This is how I do it, and then I'm just gonna add it to the stove and let it cook for about 15 minutes for the coconut milk to cook and everything. Then I'm gonna add my rice, and I'll show you guys how the rice look after. Okay guys, so the rice seems to be finished now. I'm gonna remove all like the peppers, thyme, scallion, everything I can remove. I'm gonna remove it. I'm wondering if it's fully finished steam. If it kind of have little moisture in it, I will leave it little longer. But guys, look at the rice shelly. Look at the shelly and nice. So let me tell you about the dark red peas. The dark red peas give it a nice little color that I like. You understand? I love my red beans them now. So I feel like you want to dry out a little bit more. So I'm gonna turn down the stove to about 2. I'm gonna put back the foil over it and let it finish steaming.
So right here I have a bell pepper, an onion, a carrot, and some scallion. I'm just gonna dice them up. So I cut half of the bell pepper. I'm gonna wash them, clean them up, and chop them up so I can add to the meat once it's tender. I don't think I need any Irish potato because I don't think Irish potato should be using like goat when you cook it down or whatever. But I think the carrot and the onion is enough. And then you can add like a scotch bonnet pepper if you want a little heat. But I can't cook with a lot of heat because of my daughter. So yeah, definitely add the pepper if you like the heat. As I said, once the goat is tender, I'm gonna add all of the seasoning, and then I'm gonna season with a little bit of Maggi. You can add any seasoning that you want, but make sure you taste the pot. You don't want it to be too overly seasoned or too salty. So for me, I just add a little Maggi all-purpose and I'm good to go.
Guys, I'm making Jamaican vegetable you put for your Sunday dinner, cabbage and carrot. That's what I'm making. Guys, I don't know how to shred it fine, you know. But it no matter me eat it anyway, to be honest.
I added a little bit of brown sugar, and I'm gonna also add a little bit of white vinegar to give it the tanginess. But you can eat this vegetable raw. If you don't eat the sugar or you don't want the vinegar on it, you can definitely just eat it raw. You can also add a piece of green bell pepper inside of it, but I didn't have any green bell pepper, but that works well. Then I'm gonna dice up my tomatoes and add to the vegetable as well.
Okay guys, good, finish now. You know, this is how it's looking. Gravy well thick and everything. Wow, look at that. So when you can cook, guys, you just can cook, you understand? You just have to come natural. But yeah guys, this is dinner. I'm gonna dish out my dad's dinner now.